Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters, once again. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome, viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make sure you go to the platform. And you see it, you don't know. Now, if I'm going to say from the thumbnail, I don't know what this is about. You see it, I don't want to hide them. Go get over emotional. Just pay attention to the logic so I'm going to observe. And these are the things where I'm going to ask the question that I ask. So may I say, I might slip up along the way, but you don't know. Now, when I call Khaled a culture vulture, a lot of people look on it like, get defensive and things like this. Of Khaled, without even looking up the meaning of culture vulture. But we're looking at it quickly. See? A culture vulture, if you notice, culture are one word, vulture is another word. Vulture literally means consumption of whatever they do. You see it till it reach. You see it, basically. So, and whenever we are refer to somebody who, yeah. See? So, a person who is interested in the arts. See? Yeah. I'm going to read it further. Again, don't get... A person or organization making profit using unhonorable practices from a culture they do not care for. Example, in music, major record labels signing the latest viral rapper, exploiting them for the max return, even if their music sucks. Example, in TV, movie, creating and popularizing a gay character in the pursuit of the LGBT community's cash and support. Example, in video games, selling DLC for the same price of a full game, selling microtransactions items that should be in a game for free to start with, and selling pay-to-win items that will give players a huge advantage on other games in a competitive environment. See? So, we are looking at it from a different perspective now. We are looking at cultural inappropriation. See? The unacknowledged or inappropriate adoption of the customs, practices, ideas, etc. of one people or society by members of another, and typically more dominant people or society. You understand? So a more dominant people or society usually have the ability to be culturally inappropriate and such the like. You understand what I mean? I said them most likely get called out for them type of thing there. Now, when we look at this, as everybody said DJ Khaled in Jamaica from Rate went and like whatever I do, you look at it and was he doing it as charity? Was a career building from him being there? Was there any benefits for him to be there? Was there any motive, ulterior motive for him to be there than the culture? Has anything impacted him more? Has anything benefited him more from being there other than the culture? Yeah, the music. You see. And as far as and what I say, from the thumbnail again, you see DJ Khaled kneel down and I pray to the true religion where him worship, where him look like him familiar with. You see it a Far Eastern Muslim type of religion where me not really understand how him escape with that, because see him down at the other is a picture of them in a video with Sizzla a pose in a Rasta garment and thing like that. Now, that in itself is a suable offense. You see, it's because him in control of the so-called guy them claim so them are the leader for Rastafari, Sizzla them and them boy they will fragment out the thing and make the thing stay, unstructured. That's why him not get sued for cultural inappropriation, because in essence, it's a crime. You know, see, Rastafari, red, gold, and green, and the dress up in the khaki suit, it's symbolic of one thing. Rastafari, the revolutionary, Naya Bingyard, and the whole structure. It's a powerful, iconic figure. I mean, a guy, you know, I go come now and come just, you know, dress himself like that for the sake of selling video, for looking the part, while we know him is not truly of that. What would it be like if we was the one who, if it was the flip side of the thing? It wouldn't be the same. Look on the, give me an example. You have a guy in France named Charlie Hebdo or whatever. We run a magazine. We draw a cartoon image of Allah. And believe you me, you see, all after them kill him, them still a bomb the place because him colleague them and things still a keep it going in his memory, and them sort of something there. All when the man, when them get rid of him, it's like them want to wipe him name, and to this day, you still can't write it off, say, them now plan another a symbolic act pan anything we concerning him. In Charlie Hebdo. For that way him do. Right now, the European columnists them, cartoonists them, and them people that were usually meddle and find them thing the funny. Stop do it. Stop do it. You have now this observation towards it, we see it as being rude, inappropriate. You don't see it. So it's like say, you know, our guy, imagine, I even attempt to feel like it would have right to come do them thing. You know, with symbolism and benefit, financially benefit, create financial benefit from it. With our little guy them, we're just hungry. Them just hungry, so no matter how them eat, them still hungry and hungry and hungry more. And I tell you about people around them and people where them have to deal with, and you can't see nobody around them a better off. Sizzla never bust nobody yet. Who Sizzla ever bust? Who Sizzla ever bust? And look how easy that is, that they don't cost him much. That not cost him nothing. He might benefit more from busting somebody than where he would have get, than where he would have do use for bust the person. We know that. You don't see it. You don't see it, Rasta. So the greed where them guys have and claim so them need this and a demand that, and why you don't use your resource to create more people like yourself who can help you now, farmer, a union, and make the thing more powerful and stronger and help out. You not boss nobody yet, still everything where you try to help people. You look this, you need, and everything where you need for help people, you have to get it from, you have to seek it from elsewhere for help them. While you have a legacy. Can't help much man with that. No, we can't see none of them man there. You know see it? So it's all greed. And we're not stupid. We're not idiot. That's why guys like them can come from any corner of the world, come abuse the culture, water it down, and get away with it. You know, you're not enough it. You know, see, him more worry about the repercussion from him culture, where he might go get to do that, than any repercussion or consequence from us whatsoever. What's the symbolism of red, gold, and green Rastafari, the lion of the tribe of Judah, pan a khaki suit, one of the most militant form of dress wear or attire for a Rasta man? Why we choose to belittle it or water it down them way there by putting that on a man who is not even Jamaican, versus to be a Rasta, dressed up like that, like he's a mascot, it's a Rasta mascot we have. Is Khaled a Rasta? Is Rasta have a clown now? Rasta have a clown. Like a dog where you dress up in a football jersey and can't play football, nobody you know we know. But we dress him up in the suit, the football, basketball, or rugby, whatever jersey. We just dress him up in it as a freaking mascot. That's what Khaled is. a Rasta mascot. Because him is totally from a different persuasion. Where he no let go. We not expect him to publicly denounce nothing, but we see him publicly embrace it. See it upon the thumbnail, Rasta. Oh, it work. It contradictory. In essence. You know, see it. The principles and the concepts that govern Rastafari more Christian related than if we go to the depths there. You know, see it. We know that we are the motivated Rasta. We know see certain things certain way. Point blank and period. You know, see it. I mean, know a guy nah let go film 42 virgin them. For Rasta, we know that. You know, see it. So where a guy do? Where a guy approve? And that's my concern them there. And the purveyors them have to craft now, the man them will put themselves brute forcefully, force themselves, self-proclaim leaders of Rastafari. Actually did it. Actually in the video, I perform as clowns too. Cause that's how the whole thing appear to I as Rasta. I don't want to ball it on nobody where wanna be. I come tell me or ask me to eat that question, Rasta. In a that. Where Khaled come from out of the east, count has it grow it. You have another anywhere we go, any side of the hill you walk, the foot of the hill, be a Rasta man there, you have to encounter with. And them man they think you deal with it like you have them picnic. Now we know because we are big people and we know parents deal with children. Them man they usually concern and care about we like we are them children. So essentially them are grow it too. Essentially what them do is like say ensure say the things them where how we profile and how we operate as small as we is, it's in line with how them think. Cause them are the cool man, them are the known man, them are the mystique people in the community. So when we as youth now, we fascinated by them regardless of our parents and church and everybody want to say. You know, see it, and we want to look cool like them guy, we want to know, so we're cool to them guy, and them guy are not really serious no outsiders are no infidel. And them man, they usually have the power to make you know, say, yo, don't do that, don't walk there, so hold up your collar, look. You know, see it? And that's how we grow so what things set. From we are baby, we father and a Rasta, we mother and them a Rasta anyway. Because I just the nature is just through oppression and certain things never manifest. You know, see, and we know that, and we see that now. You know, see, but we community grow the same way. No guy not come bring nothing to we and go on like say the man. We introduce nothing new. This is, we not do that again. Don't do that. You know, see it. You know what Rasta mean? No, if I know observe Rasta as a sort of money-making venture. Yes, it is quite profitable. It's vastly profitable, as you can see. Big DJ Khaled come dress up in a red, gold, and green and khaki clothes at the video with goat head in it too, as well some people comment with them not to use that as a subject matter or an issue, but some man say them see goat head in it and some sort of thing are going there. So some man I look deeper in it than even me. But me not have to look so deep for say so much infractions. So much cultural inappropriation. According to how I say. According to how the dictionary state it. And them guy they know better because they have a more recent example like me explain the Charlie about thing where in them culture where it's not acceptable if you go on like you are them when it's not them. You get beaten for them thing there. You're going to lose a limb if you're still alive. For them type of thing there, my family. So at them consequences, at them recognition, them standard there. The man them will grow high, held Rastafari. And then see them little hustler you come now with them little foolishness. Like them can just dress up and eat that. Or them can just grow them ear and eat that. If them greedy self, that's why we burn them. And we put them under pressure and demand consequences of them action. Because we have ears on the ground too. Same place up there in Augustown, Papi and Rasta. We're not stupid. We know what go on. We are ask a guy to be a man. And you can't go on like say you're Rasta, you're president for this, and you push this and that, and your action. You're just social media Rasta, because your action different on the ground. You don't see it. It's profiteering. And I have a full video. If you want to go on up at Augustown there, some guy better come out and make Rasta and dignify the thing and stop going like say, I want to control and can do what I want to do with Rasta on the name, can call up and a suspicion and them sort of thing there. I want to steal the one side. I go on like, I want to do what I want to do, I want to own a body, not expect, say, careful of what I do, you know. You know, see it. Careful of what I do, because I sell out and when I eat that, we see the traits them. And we know, we know certain things work. It add up. Some people benefit from disunity and fragmentation of Rastafari. And some boy don't enough to know that, to see that, to observe that. You know, see it? Because all the way his ego is being stroked. Financial assets are being secured and them sort of something there. So a friend them here, them mean good. Cause them are do good for you. You know see it? So every instruction you get, you take at them people, you know, you depend on the instruction. For direct Rastafari. You know see it? And you know see it? Cause once you get in a bed with them people, and it's like them have your secret now, and them have your ears. Them know if you do that, all of them not catch up in a bad move on a video. Them know your belly, them know where you want, them make sure you grab your needs and secure it. And you know that you know feed them and you know see it. And you don't want to lose the first class flight upon jet where you used to get because of them boy. Because of we. We not really worth that. You know see it? We not really worth that. We not have the sense neither. We don't know what go on. We can do it 10 times, a million times over and get away with it because we is none the wiser. We're not that educated with what go on up at top there. You know see it? And plus we put trust on certain things in our so we just done and allow that. Again, no consequence. No question asked. You set the standard and whatever you say it is. We have to accept that and roll with it because the men of all never did anything. You are the first attempt at modifying, elevating Rastafari. You know, see it? You are the first, man. We not accept them together. We don't know who wants to do they accept it and be. And you see the less vocal someone want to be because you not fret about your life and all them things because you don't know a guy, a gunman and him can hurt, you know. The less vocal you be, you know, the more powerful you make some guy be and get away with them things. You know, you think a guy can kill off everybody. Eh? And because of fragmentation again and disunity, where every man try catch and push and be this and know that more and them things there. While the struggle, the principle, the standard is already established and highlight Rasta. We don't want to know who started, we don't want to know who better. We want to know so everybody that try to be better. And that's the thing. You know see it. Until we adapt them principle, and that you know see it. And we did already learn and know that you know. We don't know where them new guy come from in the Rasta, them agent here, you know.